Hello students, describe the salient features of Mahajanpadas. Dear students, we have learnt about the 16 Mahajanpadas and you can see here uh, different Mahajanpadas and cities in this map. Early states and their capitals. Early states and their capitals. You can see Gandhar, Kamboj, these are the Mahajanpadas. In south you can see Asmaka. This is the southmost Mahajanpad, and Ang, Vang, Koshal, and you can see Vajji, Mal, Magad, Koshal, Vats, Panchal, Kuru, or Surshen, Matsya. So these are the 16 Mahajanpadas. So you should know about the features of the Mahajanpadas. Salient features of Mahajanpadas are as follow. Most of the Mahajanpadas were ruled by powerful kings. Mostly Mahajanpadas were ruled by powerful kings except Vajji. In Vajji there was no one king, but there were more than one ruler. So that was Vajji was Sangh. So Vajji was ruled by not one king but by group of king. That is oligarchy. We can call them republics. So in Roman Empire we also found such type of system. Most of the Mahajanpadas were ruled by powerful kings. However, there were some Mahajanpadas like Vajji, capital was Vaisali, where rule was in hands of people. We call them republics. That is called oligarchy system. We can say that was oligarchy system. So some Mahajanpadas were ruled by powerful kings. And just we can see Magad was the very powerful Mahajanpada, and some great rulers ruled from the Magad Mahajanpad. And Magad Mahajanpad converted into empire. So first in history we should know about the Janpads. Then Janpad area was extended. Janpads were converted into Mahajanpadas by conquering neighboring areas. जनपदों ने आसपास के एरिया को जीतकर अपने क्षेत्र में शामिल कर दिया और इस प्रकार से महाजनपद बन गए, और इन्हीं महाजनपदों में से बड़े बड़े एम्पायर स्थापित हुए, जैसे मगध का साम्राज्य, जहाँ अशोक जैसे महान राजाओं ने राज किया. So most of the Mahajanpadas were ruled by powerful kings. However, there were some Mahajanpadas where rule was in hand of people, and we call them republic and we call them oligarchy. रोमन एम्पायर में आपने पढ़ा होगा ओलिगार्की. वहाँ एक राजा नहीं होता है, कई राजाओं का समूह होता है. इन वज्जी देयर वाज आल्सो ओलिगार्की. सेकंड फीचर, अर्ली महाजनपदास. यू कैन सी हियर सेकंड फीचर. एवरी महाजनपदा हैड इट्स ओन कैपिटल. सो एवरी महाजनपद की अपनी राजधानी होती थी. द कैपिटल नॉर्मली वुड बी सराउंडेड बाय फोर्ट्स. So capital was fortified so that nobody can attack. So every Mahajanpad had its own capital. The capital normally would be surrounded by forts. So every Mahajanpada had fortified cities. These fortified cities were capitals. The fortification of capital was needed for the protection and economic resources. Why fortification was needed of these capital cities? Because capital should be fortified for the protection purpose, and second purpose was the economic resources. For the economic resources and protection, capital city was fortified. So every Mahajanpad had its own capital. The capital normally would be surrounded by fort. This fortification of capital was needed for two purposes. One is the protection, another is the economic resources. Third, here we can see another feature. The main jobs of kings to collect taxes from the farmers, traders and craftsmen. Tax was collected from farmers traders, craftsmen. They also accept donation. So the main job of kings was to collect taxes from farmers, traders, craftsmen. They also accept donations. तो टैक्स कलेक्ट करना और डोनेशन लेना ये उनकी इनकम का सोर्स था. द मेन जॉब या वी कैन से मेन जॉब्स of kings to collect taxes from farmers, traders, craftsmen. They also accept donations. So we should come on the fourth topic. Here, this is the fourth topic, and it was around 6th century BC. 6th century BC की हम बात करते हैं बच्चों. In the 6th century BC, ब्राह्मण्स बिगन टू कंपाइल स्क्रिप्चर्स. ब्राह्मणों ने स्क्रिप्चर्स को कंपाइल करना शुरू कर दिया. एंड दोज स्क्रिप्चर्स आर कॉल्ड धर्मशास्त्रास. इन अराउंड 6th century BC, ब्राह्मण्स बिगन टू कंपाइल स्क्रिप्चर्स एंड दोज स्क्रिप्चर्स आर कॉल्ड धर्मशास्त्रास. व्हाट धर्मशास्त्रास स्टेट्स, व्हाट धर्मशास्त्रास सेज, which states rule of morality, which states rule of morality including that of the monarch. Rule of morality including that of the monarch. So rule should be governed by moral values, and people and monarchs should be bound by these moral values, ethical values. Herein it was mentioned that the king should be Kshatriyas. So according to Dharmashastras, king should be Kshatriyas. So this is mentioned in Dharmashastras like scriptures, and these Dharmashastras tells two important things: rule of morality and king should be Kshatriyas. So there are two important factors: rule of morality including that of the monarch. Monarch is also bound by rule of morality, and the king should be Kshatriyas. Fifth feature is that it was considered fair to plunder neighboring countries for riches. Neighboring states पर अटैक करना, neighboring areas पर अटैक करना वेल्थ के लिए, ये भी सही बताया गया है. It was considered fair to plunder neighboring countries for riches. So this was the fifth feature. It was considered fair to plunder neighboring countries for riches, for wealth के लिए दूसरों पर अटैक, पड़ोसी स्टेट्स पर अटैक करना. फाइनली हम जानते हैं ग्रेजुअली महाजन पदास बिगन टू हैव फुल टाइम आर्मी एंड ऑफिशियल्स. इन महाजन पदास वी कैन फाउंड फुल टाइम आर्मी एंड ऑफिशियल्स. Soldiers were the rank of farmers. Students, soldiers were rank above the farmers. So, soldiers were the rank of farmers. Soldiers were rank of farmers. So, farmers were play the role of soldiers. Soldiers were the rank of farmers. So there was huge army. So Mahajan Padas began to have full army, full time army. So students, these are the features of Mahajan Padas. First is that Mahajan Padas were ruled by king, and some Mahajan Padas were governed by oligarchy system. There was a rule of more than one king. Second feature, every Mahajan Pada had its fortified capital. Fortification was needed for protection and economic resources. Third feature is a job of the king was to collect taxes from farmers, traders and craftsmen. They also accepted donations. Fourth is Brahmins composed Dharmashastras. According to Dharmashastra, rules should be governed on the basis of morality, and kings should be Kshatriyas. It was considered fair to plunder neighboring countries for riches. तो नेबरिंग जनपदास महाजन पदास पर अटैक करना फेयर माना गया. ग्रेजुअली महाजन पदास बिगन टू हैव फुल टाइम आर्मी एंड ऑफिशियल्स. सोल्जर्स वर द रैंक ऑफ द फार्मर्स. सो दीज आर द सम फीचर्स ऑफ द महाजन पदास. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू. हैव ए गुड डे.